Today concept name is property file. Not only using XPath we can property file is nothing but not only using XPath we can take the other properties also. Not only using XPath we can take the other properties also. So all the properties we will keep in one file. We will treat as a object repository. We will treat as a object repository. Property file is nothing but it contains general information. Property file is nothing but it contains general information. We will keep the all the object information in one file. So we will attach it through test using that properties. Selenium will identify the identifies the web elements. So not only using XPath we can take the other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. We will treat as a object repository. We will treat as a object repository. So using that property, Selenium will identifying the web elements very uniquely. Okay, using that information, Selenium will identifying the web elements uniquely. So first, how to create property file? Okay, just to take the new project, take the new project, Java project. Click on next. Project name something I'm giving a Z. Click on finish. Configure the Selenium WebDriver programs. Right click on project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, add all jars, control open, control open. Now go to SRC, take the new class, and class name is property. Keep the mark publish static void menu, click on finish. Now yesterday program once again I will write here. Webdriver WD equal to new Firefox driver WD dot get HTTP gmail.com WD dot find element by dot XPath dot send keys I'm giving my ID Akhil Reddy HOID 1. Right. Next we need to click on next button. Dot next click. Password dot click. Yes. Write the thread dot slave. Wait statement I am here writing 2 seconds. 2000 millisecond means 2 seconds. So this is the yesterday file. This is the yesterday concept already we discussed. Today concept property file. So how to create property file? Just go to package, right click on package, take new, other, come to general and take file, click on next. I'm giving file name is Akki, click on finish. Okay, how to create the property file? Right click on package, go to new, go to other, general, file, next to give the file name. I created property file Akki and take the property, that just copy the path, copy. Okay, right, apply. Okay, now here I am writing only two more lines extra. Properties p equal to new properties, properties p equal to new properties. Observe carefully, without writing this statement also, without creating property file also, we can work with Selenium WebDriver. So by id, in the place of XPath I am writing id. Without creating the property file also, we can work with using id, we can work with Selenium only properties. So how? Just go to Google, so get the id. How to get the id? Activate, go, this is the id, here go, we can get id, right? Copy, control V, next button id, next only, password id, sign in id, right? If I click run, it will run. Direct I am giving id. If I click run, it will run. But software companies will not allow you whenever writing the code like this. So we need to create the file, property file, and we will keep these properties in one file. We will give with the alias names. That alias names we will write in the script. Password I wrote wrong. Save, click on run. Directly we can give the IDs. This is another way, but software companies will not allow you. So how we can write? So just create the property file. Properties p equal new properties. Next file input stream. FIS equal new file input stream, and give the path of the property file. Give the property path of the property file. Right click, go to properties, copy the path, copy here, come to script, paste here. And here you need to remember, if it is Java or Selenium, if you want export or import, we will use double slash. Here we have only single slash, just keep it to double slash. Keep it double slash. If you want import or export, we will use double slash. Right. Next line, just p dot load fis. Enough. So file input stream, import the statements. File input stream, change to file input stream. File input stream Java IO. File input stream Java IO. Properties java.util. It is showing some error, so add throws. Enough. Right. Now directly I don't want to give the ID here. I want to give alias name. Alias names I'm giving. So go to a key, a equal to email, b equal to next, c equal to d equal to id is sign in, sign I am giving alias names. Save. If you click on run, it will run. Save, click on run. This is the property file creation. So directly we will not give the IDs. First of all, we need to create the property file and we need to attach to this script. Something is wrong. Yes, here we need to write by ID p dot get property, p equal to properties, p dot get property a. Here also directly will not give p dot get property b. So these are the three ways: p dot get property c, p dot get property d. So save, click on run. Yes, directly we can take XPath, directly we can take ID or name properties. Here we have number of properties like yes, ID property, class property and type property, value property, name property we have. Any of the property we can take, okay. These are the two ways. If you want to work with any web application or web elements, directly we can give the XPath or ID, or we can create the property file and we need to keep all the properties in that file with alias names. We can use that alias names in script. Okay. Just you need to practice. We can give 1 2 3 anyone alias names, whatever you are giving in property file, that names we need to hear. Okay. Okay, just once practice it with Telugu matrimony and you can take any other sites, and just you need to practice. Okay, now that is today's session, that is property file. I will send you this recorded file. Happy weekend.